Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable one-hand mode in Vivo T1 5G smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe down the notification panel. Then choose edit icon. Now you need to click and drag the small screen mode from here. So I will drag to main panel. Now you can click back. Now the small screen mode is coming to main screen. Now you can click the small screen mode from here. Now the phone enter into the small screen mode. You can drag this one to any place. You can use this mode with one hand, so it's very useful for using one hand. If you want to exit, you need to click X icon. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.